ಎಲ್ಲ PUC2 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ, ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ, ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Take deep breaths. Yes, good morning, my dear students. Today is, in the last class, we are learning nomenclature of haloalkanes, classification and nomenclature of the organic compounds. Is the first step, as I told you. Classification and nomenclature of the organic compound is one of the important parts. Nomenclature of organic compounds. Organic compounds is a first step in learning organic chemistry. In that we just covered nomenclature of the haloalkanes, the first chapter, haloalkanes. Of the second PU, last class we already studied, given a compound, how to write the IUPAC name. Given the structure, you learned how to name the IUPAC name. Now I will give the reverse questions that I will give. Let us practice few more. One question: name the following halides. Name the following halides. Following halides. According to IUPAC name. According to IUPAC name. According to IUPAC name. According to IUPAC name, and classify and identify their family. Identify their type. Their type. Let us take the first example is like this. Suppose it is printed like this: CS3 twice, CH, CH. In the bracket you will be given with Cl, then CS3. How to write this so that you can name the IUPAC? See, CS3 twice means to this carbon atom there are two CS3 group links linked. Write them neatly like this: CS3 1 2, right? One of the valence is satisfied by H, therefore CH single bond. We will have Cl, CH, Cl, and this is CS3, and it is saturated hydrocarbons, and it is a monohalogen derivative. There are two substituent groups. Start numbering. When there are two or more substituent groups, you have to number in such a way that alphabetically which one comes first. Chlorine comes first. Therefore, number the carbon atoms from chloro, this is methyl, from right to left. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Because here also you will get some of the locants will be 5 from either side. In such case, which one comes alphabetically first? Chloro, then comes methyl. You can write the root word root word is but, suffix will be ane, then you write the prefixes. Prefixes are to the alphabetically chloro comes first, 2-chloro, 3-methyl. Therefore, the name of this compound will be 2-chloro, 3-methyl, 2-chloro, 3-methyl butane. Right? We'll see few more. Try to write this compound CS3, CS2, CH. In the bracket, they have written CS3. Sometimes they will give like this in the textbooks. CH. In the bracket, you have C2H5. Then they have written it as Cl. Let us write it in the correct order so that we can name it systematically. CS3, CS2, CH, CS3. Then you have CH. C2H5 means CS2, CS3, C2H5. And a chlorine atom is linked to it. Look at the problem. Whenever they have given such condensed structural formula, try to write them like this: CS3, CS2, CH. In the bracket, if CS3 is written, consider it as it is in the side chain. Then you have CH. C2H5 is given here. C2H5 can be written as CS2, CS3. There are two carbon atoms. Chlorine atom is linked to the same carbon atom. Now you select the longest chain and try to write the IUPAC name of it. Yes, try for a few seconds. See, numbering of the carbon atoms. Which is the longest chain? Straight chain contains 4. This contains 4. The longest chain will be this one. Okay? This is the longest chain because this contains 6 carbon atoms. Then you have to start numbering in such a way that some of the locants must be of the substituent groups are methyl groups and chlorine. Start numbering. Which is correct order? 1, 2, 3. If you write here 3, 4. 3 plus 4 becomes 7. If you come from this end, 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 4 becomes here also 7. But in the alphabetical order, chloro comes first or methyl comes first. Chloro comes first, therefore correct naming will be 1, numbering will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you can take, write the root word. How many carbon atoms are there? 6, therefore it should be written as hex. There are carbon-carbon single bond, therefore you write it as ane, hexane. And IUPAC name will be 3-chloro, 4-methyl. 3-chloro hyphen first letter capital 4-methyl. Don't leave the space, write it. Right? 3-chloro 4-methyl hexane is the name of this compound. Take the next example. Take the next example. Given in your textbook, we will solve them. Then we will see questions from competitive examinations. Then third one, they have given like this. Third example. CS3, 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 CS2, they have given C like this, then written as CS3 twice, single bond, CS3 twice, CS2CI. They will give condensed problems like this. Okay. Now, you must write it so that you can name it systematically like CS3, CS2, right? Even they have given to the carbon atom in the bracket twice is means these two methyl groups are linked to the same carbon atom. That is the meaning of it. CS3, CS3, CS2I. Now start numbering. Start numbering. Iodine is here, methyl groups are also here. Where concentration of the alkyl group is more, you have to start numbering, you will get lowest number. If you number from this side, the parent chain will be this one. Because here also you will get 4, 4. Therefore, this is the thing. And numbering from it done from left to right or right to left. If you take from left to right, 1, 2, 3, you will get 3, 3, then 4. 3, 3 becomes 6, 6 plus 4, 10. And iodine atom is here. Therefore, you have to start numbering from right to left. Right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Write the IPAC name of this compound. See, you can observe like this condensed formula will be given like this. Okay. See, in this, whenever they will give sometimes structures like this, you have to understand that CS3 twice means this methyl group is linked to this carbon atom. One above, one below you write. Right? Numbering should be done from such an end where the sum of the locants becomes lowest and the concentration of alkyl groups is here more. Therefore, you have to choose right to left. The name will be 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the IPAC name? Root word? 1, 2, 3, 4. Root word will be but. Suffix will be, it is a saturated hydrocarbon. Therefore, suffix should be ANE. Now, how do you arrange the prefixes? So, the prefixes will include what? Methyl group and iodo group. Among iodo and methyl, which one alphabetically comes first? Iodo, EF, GH, I, J, K, L, M. I comes first or M comes first? I comes first. Therefore, it should be 1 iodo. Generally, chlorine are written as chloro, 1 iodo, 2, 2 hyphen dimethyl butane. Write the IPAC name of it. Write the IPAC name of it. Fourth example, CS3 thrice. Try this. CS3 thrice. They will give you like this. CS2. Many students will get confused whenever they will give the name like this. Condensed, most condensed structural formula. Then you have C6H5. Try this one. How do you write it? First of all, you have to make arrangements in such a way that you can name it properly. CS3 thrice means to this first carbon atom, 3 methyl groups are linked. You have to understand like this. This is most condensed structural formula. You have to open it like this. To the first carbon atom, 3 methyl groups are linked. CS3. 1, 2, 3 valence are satisfied. Fourth one is here. You have CS2. Then you have CHBr. To the same carbon atom, C6H5. What C6H5 is? C6H5 is nothing but a phenyl group. You have to draw the open structure like this so that you can name it easily. In case of such compounds, this is considered as substituent group. It is a benzyl group. because it is linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore, it should be taken in the substituent group. Then you have to number the carbon atoms. So that the substituent group must get what? Lowest number. How many substituent groups are there? This one is methyl, methyl. This one is bromo. What it should be called as? Phenyl. Numbering from which end? Right to left. What is the parent chain? Parent chain is this. It's a 4 carbon atoms. Numbering should be done from left to right because some of the locants. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the IUPAC name. There are 3. Write the IUPAC name of this compound. 1 bromo. Bromo is there. 4 bromo comes first. Alphabetically B comes first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. This one is phenyl comes last. Then how to arrange the prefixes? That is to the 4th carbon atom. First of all, you have to write 4-bromo. Prefixes must be arranged in the alphabetical order. Then how do you write this one as? 2,2 dimethyl. Then where the phenyl group is linked? To which carbon phenyl group is linked? 4-4 phenyl butane. Don't leave the space. They are all one word names. Butane. So the condensed structural formula. I have sent you an assignment on classification nomenclature. Have you received? I have sent in the WhatsApp group. Check it. 40 questions on classification and nomenclature of only haloalkanes. I have sent 40 questions. Practice them. And keep it ready. Then I will send you the key answers. You can check. Okay. 1 mark 40 questions I have sent. 20 easy, 20 JE level. Okay. Assignment you solve. Then I will go to physical chemistry. 2 chapters this month. Solutions and electrochemistry. Up to JE level we will continue. First of all, board level questions. Then we will continue with the competitive level questions. Next question. Try this one. 5th one. I will solve 6 of them. See, CS3. Try to write this one. CS3, CH. CS3, CH. In the bracket, they have written CS3. Then you have written CH. In the bracket, they have written BR and CS3. Check your WhatsApp group. I have sent assignment, home assignment, first home assignment on nomenclature and classification of haloalkanes. We'll complete that assignment. Then we'll move back to the physical chemistry. First 2 chapters. Solutions and electrochemistry. Numerical based chapter. So that you can, generally questions in competitive examinations, many students suffer just in nomenclature of the organic compound. First problem in organic chemistry. Next problem in physical chemistry is calculation, numerical based problems. Okay. Of all levels we will study. Try this one. Today we will complete this nomenclature and just I wanted you to show the nomenclature first level. CS3. How do you write it so that you can write the IUPAC name properly? Then you have CHBr. Then you have CS3. Try to write the IUPAC name. It is a very simple compound. What is your name? Take some few seconds. Aditya, welcome. Good morning. See the IPAC name. So if you are joining late to the live stream, watch my previous videos available in the Lokji channel live. See here, numbering. Which is the longest chain? Longest chain is this horizontal. Number them, easier question. In which end you start numbering? No doubt, butte is the root word. From which end you start numbering? Left to right if you go. You will get no problem. Here also you will get 2, 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. If you start from right to left, here also you will get 2 plus 3, 5. In both the cases you are getting same. But whenever such situation comes, you must check alphabetical order. Which one comes alphabetically first, it should get lowest number. Therefore, correct numbering is not from left to right, from right to left. These are the rules you have to keep in your mind before you start learning properties of the organic compounds. Root word is but, prefix is start 2 bromo, 3 methyl, 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butane. I will take another one question, then I will start reverse process. I will give you the IUPAC name, you have tried the structures. Try this one. Ortho, Br, C6H4, they have given CH. In the bracket, they have given CS3, CS3, CS2, CS3. Try to write the structure so that you can give IUPAC name in a proper manner. You will give like this. You are asked to write the IUPAC name of it. First of all, you have to understand ortho position. C6X4 means what? Benzene ring will be there. Therefore, you draw so that you can number it correctly. First of all, you draw the benzene ring. Okay. This is benzene ring. To the benzene ring. At ortho position, there is a bromine. Bromine. Yes. To this, you are linked with what? CH. CS3 is linked in the side chain. Look at here. Very interesting question. Then you have to continue with CS2, CS3. This is how you have to identify whenever more condensed structural formula are given. You must be in a position to write the structure properly. Ortho, this position is called as ortho position. This is meta, this is para. Write the name, IUPAC name, select the longest chain. It is a benzyl group. Take a few seconds. Yes, what is your final IUPAC name? Hmm. How do you name it? What is your final name? Finished? Hmm. Is it the benzyl? Benzene ring is linked to the saturated hydrocarbon. Therefore, it is not an aryl halide. You should write it as a prefix. Longest chain will be this, and numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you start. Root word will be but, no problem. There is no problem there. It is butane. What is the prefix? What is the prefix? If you internally number it, how do you start numbering? But halogen atom is linked to the benzene nucleus. Therefore, you can even write it as bromine atom is linked to the benzene nucleus. It will come into aryl halide, benzyl halide, or aryl halide. Benzyl halide or aryl halide. Halogen atom is linked to the benzene nucleus. You have two types of aromatic compounds. Those in which halogen atom is directly linked to the benzene nucleus, X. Those in which halogen atom is linked to the side chain. Then, in order to name it, it is a bromine atom is linked. Therefore, it is an aryl halide. Aryl halide. Therefore, you have to pronounce what? Yes. Bromobenzene. And the prefix should be number from this end 1 and 2. Okay. To the second carbon atom, what you have here? Hmm. 2. 2 hyphen into bracket. Is it 2-butyl? 2-butyl. 2-butyl. Bromobenzene. It is aryl halide. Aryl halides are written as chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, bromobenzene. 2 to the second carbon atom of the benzene ring into bracket. It is to the second carbon atom. This is linked. Therefore, it is 2-butyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-butyl. Bromobenzene is the correct IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. Now you do the reverse work. I'll give structures. You have to write the. I will give the names. You have to write the structures. Second type of question that appear in the exam are write structures. Structures of the following. You take a question, try to draw the structure. First one is 2-chloro, 3-methyl, 2-chloro, 3-methyl pentane. See how to, I will tell you, explain you how to write the structures. First of all, whenever you want to write, you have to identify the root word. Root word is pent. Observe the suffix. Ane means single bond. Means you have to write continuously 5 carbon atoms side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number them from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When there is pentane, all of them should contain what? Single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. First step. Take root word, then write a suffix. Now, observe to which carbon atom chlorine is linked. Second carbon atom chlorine is linked. Anywhere you can write from left, right is also correct. Right to left is also correct. No problem. 3-methyl. To the third carbon atom, there is a methyl group. Satisfy remaining valencies by hydrogen. First carbon atom. 1 is satisfied. You have to take what? CS3. 1, 2, 3 are satisfied. Therefore, you must write it as CH. Observe. 1, 2, 3 are satisfied. Therefore, you have to write CH. 1 and 2 are satisfied. Therefore, you have to write it as CS2. 1 is satisfied. Therefore, you have to write it as CS3. This is how, given the name, you can write the, given the IPAC name, you must be in a position to write the structure of it. Any doubts in this? Try this one. 1-chloro, 4-ethyl. 1-chloro, 4-ethyl. 1-chloro, 4-ethyl cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Right. How the cyclohexane will be there? Only hexane will have the straight sign. Cyclohexane is represented by, yes, cyclohexane is represented by hexagonal, regular hexagon. This is cyclohexane. You can start numbering from any end. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the first carbon atom, you are writing chloro, that is Cl. To the fourth carbon atom, you are writing ethyl group. Ethyl group will be C2H5. 1-chloro, 4-ethyl cyclohexane. See the difference between, don't write a double bonds here. It is not, it is a alkane made into the form of the ring. Right? Even you can write it as CH. Cl, you can write 6 carbon atoms like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? There is a single bond. Single. Right? You have to write chlorine here. Therefore, 1 chlorine atom is linked here. 1 C2H5 is linked here. You can write open structural formula 1, 2, 3 valency. First carbon atom, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First carbon atom, how many valencies are left here? 1. Therefore, you can write as CH. Second carbon atom, 1, 2. You can write as CS2. 1, 2, you can write as CS2. 1, 2, 3, you can write CH. 1, 2, you can write CS2. Right? You have 1, 2, you can write CS2. This is open structure. This is bond notation. Any doubts in this? You can write both the structures. Try this one. 4-tert-butyl. 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 3-iodoheptane. 3-iodoheptane. Draw the structure. First of all, you take the root word. Root word is hept. Means how many carbon atoms in the chain? 1, 2, 3. You must have space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the third carbon atom, all of them contain single bond. Therefore, let us write single bond. Suffix first. Single bond. 3-iodo. To the third carbon atom, there is iodine atom. 4-tert-butyl. How do you write tert-butyl? To the fourth carbon atom, tert-butyl is linked. Means you have tried carbon here, it will be linked with the 1CS3, 1CS3, and 1CS3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tertiary carbon atom. Therefore, it is called as a tert-butyl. Tert-butyl should be written like this. Tert means tertiary. This tert-butyl will contain 3 carbon atoms and satisfy remaining valencies. Don't forget, here many students do mistake. First carbon atom, 1 valence is satisfied. How many valences are left? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You have to write 1 H here. 1, 2, 3 satisfied. How many valences are left? 1. You have to write CH. Already 1, 2 satisfied. Therefore, you have to write CS2. Already 1, 2 are satisfied. You have to write CS2. Only 1 is satisfied. Therefore, you have to write CS3. Understood how to write tert-butyl? Tert means this carbon atom will be tertiary carbon atom. This is linked to it. That is the meaning of it. Try to understand basic level questions. Then your mind will be ready for higher level questions. Next, fourth one. See the interesting. 1,4-dibromo. 1,4-dibromo. But-2-ene. But-2-ene. Observe. Write the IUPAC name of it. Root word. Root word is, you don't see other things first. Look at the root word first. Root word is but, means how many carbon atoms I have to write side by side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Use sufficient place for drawing the bonds number. Better you fix one method, right to left. Don't change every now and then. Right to left you number it. Tell me. But-2-ene. What is the meaning of it? To the second carbon atom, there is a double bond. Do you put double bond here or here? This order, this side, you have to write here. Double bond. Then 1,4-dibromo. Satisfy remaining valencies by what? Single bond. 1,4-dibromo. To the first carbon atom, you write bromo. To the fourth carbon atom, you write what? Bromo. 1,4-dibromo is finished. Remaining work is satisfy the valencies. Huh. Here, two valency are satisfied, therefore I must take water. CS2. Observe here. Here there is a double bond. 2 plus 1, 3. Left with how many? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. CS2. Br. Will be the structure of it, of the compound with the double bond. Okay. Try this one. Two chloro 3 methyl pentane. 2 chloro 3 methyl 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. Easy question, try to answer. How many carbon atoms? Wrote it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. Number them first. Proceed systematically, then there will be no mistake. Therefore, organic chemistry is like mathematics. 2 chloro. To the second carbon atom you write chloro. 3 methyl. To the third carbon atom you write methyl. CS3. Now satisfy remaining valencies 1, 1, 1, 1 because pentane. Satisfy valencies. 1 is satisfied, you have to take 3. Here 1, 2, 3, you write H. 1, 2, 3 are satisfied, only H. 1, 2 are satisfied, take CS2. 1 is satisfied, write CS2. Okay? Sorry, CS3. Okay? Fine. Take this one. Fourth one. Sorry, sixth one. It is given like this. 2 hyphen into bracket. 2 chloromethyl. 2 chlorophenyl. 2 chlorophenyl. 1 iodo. 1 iodo octane. Try to write the structure of it. Octane. How many carbon atoms? 1. We need some more space to write the 8 carbon atoms. Last one in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you take 1 iodo means to the first carbon atom I have to link what? Iodo group. To the second carbon atom you have to link what? Observe, to the second carbon atom you have to link like this. Here it is 1, here it is 2, 2 chloro. Right, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. To the second carbon atom, this is internally you have to name it as 2 chloro. 2 chloro. 2 into bracket 2 chlorophenyl, 1 iodo octane. Write the name of it. Remaining valence is 1, 2 satisfied, therefore you have to take CS2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, you write it as CS2. 1, 2, CS2. 1, 2, CS2. 1, 2, CS2. 1, 2, 2 are left CS2. 1 CS3. Understood? Given the structure, how to write the IUPAC name of it. Para-bromo-chlorobenzene. Write it. Next compound, 7th one. Para-bromo-chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Write the structure of it. Para-bromo-chlorobenzene. 7th. One bromo. 4 secondary butyl. 2 methyl. Benzene. 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. Eighth one. One 4 dibromo. Butadiene. Try all the 3. Okay. This completes haloalkane nomenclature. Last 3 questions. Some basic longest chain rule. Substituent groups I taught. Still there are many things to learn in IUPAC. We'll continue after completion of 2 chapters in physical chemistry. Para-bromo. How do you write? This is the benzene ring. So both of them are in the para position. You know that this is ortho, meta, para. Para bromo. To the para position there is bromo. And this is chlorobenzene. To the chlorine, 1-2 position is called as ortho. Remember, 1-3 position is called as meta. 1-4 position is called as para. Therefore, this is the structure. Take the root word first. What you are given with? Methyl benzene. Try to name. One bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, written 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. Is it a derivative of benzene? Benzene. Draw the benzene ring. Alternate double and single bonds you can write. Start numbering. Start numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depends on how you number it. 1 bromo to the first carbon atom. What should be linked? 1 bromo. Four secondary butyl. To the fourth carbon atom, you have to link what? Secondary butyl. How to write secondary butyl? CH. Secondary. CS2, CH3. A secondary butyl, primary butyl will have how many hydrogen atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms. Secondary butyl will have how many hydrogen atoms? 1. Tertiary will have no. Here, this is called as secondary butyl. 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl. To the second carbon atom, you write methyl. I hope this is the correct IUPAC name of the compound. Okay, understood. Given the name, IUPAC name, how to draw the structure you learnt. Haloalkane. This is the first step in every chapter. Just I have introduced you so that to refresh you the nomenclature of organic compounds. Last set, 1 or 2 will see and complete it. Next class I will start solutions. First chapter, physical chemistry, numerical based. Try this one. Write IUPAC name. Write IUPAC name. This time again I will give you structure. Last round to practice. I have already sent you 40 marks assignment. Solve that and show me in the next class. CS3. CS3. CHCl. CH. Br. CS3. Write them. IUPAC name. You make it like this CS3 so that it is convenient for you to numbering. It will appear more clearly. CS3. What is the name? Numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you are numbering from right? Bromo B comes first, C comes next. Therefore, the name is 2 bromo, 3 chloro, butane. Okay, try this one. CS3 CH, double bond C Cl, CS2 CH, in the bracket CS3 twice. Whenever such very condensed structural formulae are given, don't immediately start writing the name. Think for a second. Draw the structure. How do you draw the structure of it? CS3, you have CH, double bond, CCl, single bond, CS2, single bond, CH. To this you have to link what? Here one CS3, here one CS3. In the bracket, twice are given. Cl here. Try to write the IPAC name. Start numbering. In case of double bond, it should be given first preference. Then the substituent groups chloro and bromo. Therefore, correct numbering will be, even though you violate longest chain rule, right? Straight chain is the longest chain if I am correct. Write the name. Number from which end? Left to right. Because whenever double bond comes, order of preference, I will give you the order of preference 2. Then you will get 3. Then you will get 4, 5, 6. Start. Root word is in. Where in? 2 in or 3 in? Now started numbering from this end. This end. Therefore, it should be but 2 in. Then prefixes. To the third column there is chlorine. 3 chloro. 5 methyl. Start. 3 chloro. 3 chloro hyphen 5 methyl. 5 methyl. What is the root word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hex. Hyphen 2 in is the systematic name of this compound. Last one today to complete this. Next video we will start solutions. Complete that assignment. Only classification and nomenclature I have given. CS3 C into bracket para chloro PCl C6H4 twice CH PR CS3. See the interesting problem. Draw the structure, then only you can understand what to do. Open structure, open condensed structural formula. It is more condensed. How do you write it? CS3 C. There are 2 para chlorobenzene rings. Draw the diagram. C. Alternate double bond. Here there is chloro. Here also, para, 1, 2, 3, 4, para position. Here also there is a benzene ring. This is chloro. Next you have CH. Br is in the side chain. Then you write CS3. Select the longest chain and try to name the compound. You can select the longest chain. Longest chain is but. Numbering. From which end you are numbering? These are considered as substituent groups now. This is bromo, number 8. From right to left. Phenyl, chloro, bromo comes first. 4. What is the final IUPAC name? Start with. The root word is no problem. Butane. Butane. Prefix is 2-bromo. 2-bromo hyphen. To the third carbon atom. You have to write in the bracket. 3-3. Isn't it? To the third carbon atom. You are linked with what?